week 1, day 2, so we'll zoom into day 2. We have complete the table. You have your numbers down the side right here that tell you which number you're starting with. And you have columns that tell you to add 2 from that same number and then add 4 from that same number. You always go back to these numbers each time. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5. So we would go 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10. So if you notice, all of your numbers are going up by 1 in each column. That's a good way to check yourself. The next one, Kenneth bought a shirt for $58.98. So let's go ahead and write $58.98. Sales tax was $3.54. How much money did Kenneth spend on the shirt? So your sales tax is you're adding that to the amount that you spent on the shirt. So we need to add $3.54. Biggest thing you need to remember when adding money is your decimals need to align and be in the same spot. So then we'll just add normal. 8 plus 4 is 12, so we'll 2, carry our 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Bring your decimal down, carry your 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12. 2, carry your 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Make sure you put your dollar sign back. And Kenneth spent $62.52 on his shirt. Our next problem we have is 7/8 minus 1/4. So we are subtracting a fraction. So right now our bottom number, our denominator, does not match. So we need to find a way for them to match, because we can't take away 4 from 8 because you have to have the same number on the bottom. So you have to find your greatest common factor, which would be 8, because 4 can go into 8. So you think 1/4 times something is going to get us to 8. So 4 times 2 equals 8. So whatever you do to the bottom number, you need to do to the top. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 2/8 and 1/4 are actually equivalent fractions. But now we can subtract. So we would have 7/8 minus 2/8 equals 5/8. And you cannot simplify that, so that is your answer. And our last one is 12 times 6. Always write it vertically. 6 times 2 is 12, so you have your 2, carry your 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 72.